What's the meaning of bottle feed? Bottle feed. Bottle feed.
Bottle feed. Bottle feed. Bottle feeding is a method of feeding infants and young children from a bottle with a nipple or teat rather than breastfeeding directly from the mother's breast. The practice has its benefits, including convenience, the ability to track how much the baby is consuming, and allowing others to feed the baby. However, it also has its drawbacks, such as the potential for overfeeding, the risk of ear infections, and missing out on the nutritional and immune benefits of breast milk. Ultimately, whether to bottle feed or breastfeed is a personal decision that should be made based on individual circumstances and needs.